Hello there, my circle of friends. I've got something so pretty to show you today. You see this pretty little lady over there? She's wearing one of the ponchos that I have completed, and I absolutely love it. It's quite easy and quite quick to complete. So as you can see, all you have to do is just crochet 4 granny squares, whatever size or shape, whichever kind you prefer, and then all you do is just crochet them together, sew them together, put them together, and for the bottom part you just add some more granny square crocheting at the bottom of at the edging of it. And for the neck, what I've done is I did an elastic stitching, which is front post double crochet and back post double crocheting, and make it look beautiful and as gorgeous as you would like. Look at the back of it. Isn't it awesome? The only thing right now that I'm trying to decide is whether or not I want to add some fringes to it, and see how pretty that lady looks. Yes, my baby sister over there. She's my model for the day. Gorgeous, isn't she? But anyways, that's what I was bringing you today. Actually 4 granny squares, and all you gotta do is just turn them around and make diamonds out of them, and you have your shoulders and you have your front and back. And just as a note, these I actually made or took the idea, sorry for the noise in the background there, the idea out of a lady from Peru. Her name is Irma Veronica Flores, and this is one of her ideas or designs or suggestions. So I took it upon myself and I did a few changes to it for my own taste, for my own liking, and there you have it. It's all beautiful. Yay! If you got any questions, just let me know. And there you go. Thanks for now. Bye. Okay, hello everyone. I'm back here. Okay, so now I'm still working on the granny square poncho that I'm making, right? Or that we are working on together here. Let's see. Hopefully you can see okay. So now we need to have 4 granny squares. I did show you how to make the basic granny square. You can do any granny square that you prefer. And now we're gonna just crochet them together. So what we gotta do, for example, I'm gonna show you these, is we gotta put the right sides together like so, and we are going to, if you want to sew them together, that's fine. This time I'm not gonna be sewing them together. I'm just going to crochet them together. So what you gotta do is we have to, okay, let me show you how this works. So I have 2 granny squares here. They're facing each other, like right sides together, and I have, instead of showing them as a square, placing them as if they were diamonds or rhombus. You see that? And so we're gonna sew these sides together, these and these. Okay. Actually, this is, hold on, I'm gonna try and explain myself a little bit better than that. So here we go. This is square number 3. So the ones that are placed as a diamond shape, those are the ones that are going to be doing your front and your back. Okay. Now the other 2 squares that we have, we actually are going to fold them like so, and those are the ones, excuse me, hold on, those are the ones that we are going to use as the sleeves. Okay, can you see that? Hopefully you can. Let me lift this up. There we go. I hope you can see what it is that I'm doing here. So these are the sleeves, these two, and these two are the front and the back. So the sleeves are the ones that we're gonna start to attach here to the first diamond that we have. Okay, hopefully this is making a little bit more sense. And then we're going to, of course, to add to it. We're gonna make it longer as needed. I'm gonna be making a nice neck, or actually to say a collar for this one. I think it's almost gonna be like a similar to a turtleneck. So it's gonna be similar to a turtleneck. I'm going to get started here on doing these two panels. Here I go. We have these two guys together here. Okay. So we're gonna do I'm going to crochet them together, and of course I'm gonna be using the thread that will be doing a good matching the one that I'm already using, that I already have used for that. And this is what we're gonna do. So this is how I get my thing started. Okay, I put my crochet hook underneath like so. I twist it around like that, and then I pull through. See, and there we go. We have our first slip stitch. Okay, now we'll grab my squares here, put them together side by side. Okay, and we're gonna go one by one. So introduce the needle. I'm going to be introducing the needle in the opening here that I have of the two chains together. Okay, sorry, excuse me. Okay, here we go again, another try. There we go. And now I'm going to grab this piece here that I have, and I'm going to sew it in together along here. So we're gonna go one on one. See, this is how I'm doing this one. If you want to sew them together, that's fine. You just bring out your yarn needle and work it. Okay, I'll continue to do this and I'll be back with you. Okay, now I have reached the end here now, like I'm at the corner. So now what we're going to do, I have sewn or crocheted together from this corner all the way up to this corner. Okay, so now we're gonna always make sure that we're keeping our rhombus, the shape of a rhombus in the right diamond. See, can you see it right there? Okay, so now we're gonna attach the next sleeve. So we're going to go ahead and we're gonna grab the next sleeve, and we're gonna place it right sides facing. Remember, we're gonna place it here. Okay, and we're gonna go ahead and sew it together. From here we can continue with, there's no need to cut the thread, just make some single crochets here, 1 and 2, there we go, and here we're going to continue crocheting together these two guys here. There we go. Okay, I'll be back with you. Thanks. Okay, so I'm back. So far now I've completed 3 panels. 3 granny squares have been sewn together. So now all I gotta do is crochet the next one. Let me see. See, there is our diamond or rhombus shape, and then there's the sleeves here. Okay, the sleeves. Now I'm gonna just sew on together the next diamond. Okay, I will do that and I'll be back as soon as I can. Hello, I'm back here to show you what it is that I have completed so far. Here we go. The poncho has been put together. Allow me 1 second. See, I'm not sure if you can see it. Let me see. Let me give you my aerial view here. Hopefully you can see it okay now. See? So I have sewn together all the pieces of my squares, and you can see that we have now a poncho. So now what I'm going to do, because I'm working on this for my husband, I'm going to just enlarge it, and I'm just going to start adding to the length of it, and then I'm going to work on my collar here. Okay, so I will turn the inside out because I want to start working with the right side again. So practically this is what it's looking like. This is what it looks like. There we go. So I'm going to grab the yarn that I'm going to be working with now, and we'll get the second half started. Okay, so here I have these right here. Okay, see, I've done my initial step, and I'm going to go ahead, and you can start anywhere you want, but in my case I think I will start here at the very corner here. So I'm gonna do my 3 double crochets, 2 chains, 3 double crochets, and continue to work with it. I'll be back with you, and I will be showing you how we are going to manage the corners that we may get together once we approach the areas where 2 granny squares have been sewn together. Okay, and I'll show you how we can handle that. So 1, 3, here I go, and I'll be back with you. And so my friends, here we go. I wanted to show you this is the end result of the 4 granny squares make a poncho video. This is a poncho I made for my husband some time ago, and unfortunately I did lose some of the footage, some of the original footage. I don't know what happened to it, but anyways, where I left the videos when I was making it, what you could see there is that I actually added a neck So I did some 3 rows of front post double crochets and 3 rows of the back post double crochets. And then, so that's for the neck, that's how I work the neck. Okay, and then I decided to add to it these edging. Okay, the edging, I wanted to do it like this. So it's some shells and fans, and then I added some what are these little guys called? Pom-poms. See, I wanted to make it nice and fun for him. See it? Well, anyways, I hope you like it. If you have any questions about it, let me know. I hope it's easy to follow, and I hope you enjoy the project as much as I have. Take care. Bye for now.